Hey guys, today I am sharing this Dollar Tree DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need this wire set from the Dollar Tree, 3 of these tin cans, the ones that my Dollar Tree had the rope around it, and 1 of these grabbers. This is part of the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge hosted by Ria's World of Ideas and Drea from Clueless Mama D. So to begin, I just want to disassemble this grabber. Basically, you want to break the grabbing end and then all the pieces just pull out. I did decide that maybe I wanted to keep this wire. It was a nice wire and it looks like it would be something that I could use for hanging. Now I don't have any instructions for this, so I am just going to eyeball how long I need the wire. Now I'm just going to hot glue in a few places using just a thin strip of the hot glue right underneath the twine to keep the wire in place. Once all 3 of them have the wire wrapped around them, I again am just kind of eyeballing to make sure that they all are about the same length from the metal pole. And then I just wrapped it around the middle and added a little bit of hot glue to keep them from twisting around and moving. Because this was a challenge to only spend $5, I wanted to work with things I had for hanging this piece. So instead of going out and buying black command strips, I am just going to take some chalk paint that I had and make my white ones black. So here's the finished product. I just have the metal pole resting in the command hooks. And I did wrap a little bit of twine around the metal where I had hot glued it. The hot glue ended up looking a little bit sloppy, and this kind of gave it a more of a finished look, and I really like it that way. Now this is something that you can use to decorate seasonally with different flowers or greenery, even potted plants I think you could stick in here. So I just went down into my greenery storage and pulled out some pieces. The cans also did better when they were weighed down. Here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. It cost me $5 to make. And again, don't forget to check out the playlist in the link below so you can go see the other Dollar Tree DIYs that were done. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more Dollar Tree DIYs. Thanks again for watching, guys.